Hi, I'm architect Avinash Nawathe. I have decided to be associated with Know How School's first batch of industry ready architect is because I like their concept of giving exposure of practical knowledge to the student of architecture or to the fresh architects. We, the practicing architects, many times complain about lack of knowledge, even the basic knowledge, by the fresh architects which join our organization. There are many aspects in our practice like bylaws, coordination with other consultant, site supervision, checking, and all those things which unfortunately are not taught in our colleges to that extent. I do hope that this Know How Schools industry ready architect batch will give the necessary exposure or at least the introduction to all these aspects of our architectural practice. I wish them all the best. Thank you.